Good morning, students. Next, we are going to discuss about example 8.17. The consumption of number of guava and orange on a particular week by a family are given below. Number of guavas, number of oranges they are given. So this one is a coefficient of variation. How to find out the coefficient of variation? Which fruit is consistently consumed by the family? Which fruit is consistently consumed by the family? So number of guavas, they are week, they are given 3 1 5 3 6 7 4 9 3 2 5 6 4 2. So number of guavas this fully week 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 1 week 7 days. So number of guavas, number of oranges they are given. Which fruit is more consistent, we have to find out. First we have to find out the number of guavas. So number of guavas is what? Number of guavas means here don't consider how many number of guavas, how many days they are having the guavas. So first day, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day, sixth day, seventh day. So number of guavas is 7. So next, this one full of x. Here two values they are given. So normally one value they are given means what you have to do, this one x, this one frequency, like that we are doing. But both also they are using in a one family. Which fruit is more consistent, we have to find out. So here, so first I have to find out the number of guavas. Next I have to find out the number of oranges. So first number of guavas, this one is a x1 value, this two oranges is a x2 value. So okay, so x1 what are all values? 3 5 6 4 3 5 4. I have to write one by one. 3 5 6 4 3 5 4. Okay, so next x square I have to find out. 3 square 9, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 4 square 16, 3 square 9, 5 square 25, 4 square 16. So you have to add a sum of x1, sum of x1 square. So 8, 14, 18, 21, 26, 30. Okay, next 14, 20, 26, 35, 40, 46, remaining 4, 6, 9, 10, next 10, 12, 13. Okay, 136. Summation of x1, summation of x1 square we found. So next, mean value we have to find out. Mean value. Because coefficient of variation formula is what? Coefficient of variation formula. Coefficient of variation sigma 1 is equal to what's that? So coefficient of variation formula, coefficient of variation is equal to sigma by x bar into 100%. So coefficient of variation, what are all you have to find out? Sigma, standard deviation by x bar, mean into 100%. So now we are going to find out the sigma. Next, as usual, x bar also we have to find out. Okay. So mean, x bar means mean only, no. So mean is equal to summation of x1 by n. So this total value by number of observation. So total value is what? 30. 30 by 7. 30 by 7. You have to do the division. What is the 37? You have to do the division. 4 7s are 28. Balance 2. Point add 1 0. 2 7s are 14. Remaining 6. So add 1 0. Next 8 7s are 9 7s are 63 will come. 8 7s are 56. 4 add 1 0. 5 7s are 35. So you have to more than. So you have to stop the 2 decimal places. 4.29 because more than 5 and more you have to consider the next number 4.29. Okay, 4.29. So x bar is equal to x1 bar is equal to 4.29. Next is standard deviation sigma 1 is equal to, what is the formula? Summation of x1, because they are instead of x we are using that x1. Summation of x1 square by n minus summation of x1 by n the whole square. That means x bar, x1 bar. Okay. So summation of x1 square values were 136 by n value 7 minus Here 30 by 7. Directly we know the value 4.29. So summation of x1 30 by n value is 7 the whole square. So 136 by 7 you have to do the division. 136 7. 1 7 is 7. Remaining 6. This 6 you have to drop down. 9 sevens are 63. Balance 3. Add 1 0. 3 sevens are 21. 4 sevens are 28. Balance 2. Okay. Add 1 0. 2 sevens are 14. Balance 6. 8 sevens are 56. So 19.43 approximate value 19.43. 19.43. This one already we know the value 4.29. 4.29 the whole square. Now you have to square this value 4.29 into 4.29. You have to square 4.29. 4.29. 9 nines are 81. Balance 8. 18. 18 plus 8. 26. Balance 2. 36. 38. Okay. 18. Balance 1. 2 twos are 4. 4 plus 1 5. 4 twos are 8. 4 nines are 36. Balance 3. 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 3. 11. Remaining 1. 4 fours are 16. 16 plus 1. 17. So 1, 14, 9 plus 5, 14, 20, balance 2, 5, 13, 14, balance 1. So 18. So 2 decimal, 4 point you have to move 1, 2, 3, 4. So 18.2 decimal itself we have to take it. Here below than 5, so no need to consider the next number 18.40. So 18.40. Now you have to do the subtraction. 19.43, 18.40. So 3, 0, 1. 1.03. Square root of 1.03. How will you find out the square root of 1.03? Like that only, no. 1.03. So 1, 1 is 1. 1, 1 is 1. 0. Next to 2 digit you have to drop down. So this one square means is not divisible, so I have to drop down the next 2 digit. So 20, 8 8s are 9 9s are, you have to take it. So 1 1 is 1, balance 0. Next this one 3 only, no, we can't able to 0 3 means 3 only. So you have to double the value 2. So here only there one value we have to allot also is not divisible by the, for example here 1 1 also 121 is 21 is not divisible by 3. So what you have to do, add 1 0 here also, here you have to add 2 0. Okay, so now you have to do that 1 1 1 201 201. So 10 9. So 9. Okay, you have to stop that here itself 1.01. 1.01. So sigma 1 value approximately 1.01. 1.01. Next, coefficient of variation for GOVAs. What's the formulas? Already I said CV is equal to sigma by x bar into 100%. Now 2 values. So GOVAs is a 1. Orange is a 2. So CV1 is equal to sigma 1 by x1 bar into 100%. So sigma 1 value 1.01 by 4.29 into 100%. So what is that? 1.01. What's that? 1.01 by 4.29 into 100%. So the next, what you have to do? Multiple by 100 already is there. So 101 into 100 means what will come? 2 points you got to move. 101 by 4.29. 101 by 4.29. 101 421 is not divisible. 0. You have to add 1 0. 429 2s are 9 2s are 18. Balance 1. 2 2s are 4. 5 4 2s are 8. So 2 times it will come. 858. Subtract it. 10 minus 8 2. Here 10 minus 5 5 1. So again I have to add 1 0. 429 3s are 9 3s are 27. Remaining 2. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 6 plus 2 8. 4 3s are 12. 3 times are 1287. 1287. Subtract it. 10 minus 7, 3, 11 minus 3, 8, 3, 4 minus 2, 2. Again, you have to add 1 0, 4, 29, 5s are, okay, 9 5s are 45, 9 5s are 45, remaining 4, 10, 14, balance 1, 20, 21, okay, 5, 21, 4, 5. So, 10 minus 5, 5, here borrow, 12 minus 4, 8, 2 minus 1, 1. Again, 1850, okay, wow. So, 429, 1, 4, sorry, how to take it, okay, 9 4s are 36, remaining 3, 8, 11, remaining 1, 4 4s are 16 plus 1, 17 will come. So, what is the answer? 7. 4. So, 23.54. Okay. 23.54. 100% means what will come? 2 digit you have to move on. 23.54%. So, number of this one coefficient of variation of guavas is 23.54%. Number of oranges. The next video I will continue. Thank you, students.